Hey guys, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be doing, like you have read from the title already, we are going to be doing a no foundation makeup look. Now I want to create the makeup look in a very simple way today because I want all my beginner subscribers to get an idea about how to do their makeup without using any foundation. Now you might be wondering कि pandemic situation में and ऐसे grim माहौल में मैं makeup video क्यों बना रही हूँ. I'll get to that a bit later in this video. So while I do my makeup, I would like to talk to you guys about that. So पहले we will start the video and you'll definitely get your answer कि मैं क्यों makeup video बना रही हूँ pandemic में. But for that you need to keep watching the video till the very end. Without any further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you're new on my channel, please consider subscribing. Click on the red subscribe button and also hit the bell notification icon right next to it so that you're updated each and every time new video is up on my channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna be prepping my skin, and for that the first product that I will be using today is this green tea alcohol free toner from Plum. Now I really like this brand because I feel their products, firstly the packaging is very cool, and also the products, I mean they are really good and effective, and मुझे ये toner भी इनका काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद है, and I think summer में बहुत ही ज़्यादा comforting है. तो मैं थोड़ा सा इसको ऐसे ले लूँगी and I just spread it onto my face and I'll let my face like soak in the toner nicely. Now by the time my skin actually soaks in the toner, I would like to answer the question that I had discussed with you initially. I'm basically making this makeup tutorial because I feel makeup is something which gives a lot of women confidence and happiness. One school of thought is that people don't like to apply any makeup and they want to be in their natural form, which is very great. And the second school of thought to which I belong is that we should be a little decked up and presentable so that we feel confident and we feel happy about ourselves. Now you might ask, why do we need makeup to feel confident? No, we do not need makeup to feel confident. I do agree, but it is a personal choice. And if you ask me, I don't do very heavy makeup. If you have seen my videos, you would know that till date I don't have a single blush on, highlighter, contouring palette with me because I don't use those products. What I use is extremely basic, and I think we are all independent women and we do have the right to purchase our own makeup and do our own makeup at times if we want to and if we feel like it. Now coming back to reality, right now all of us are working from home. We are attending college and school from home as well, so sometimes we do have to attend these online events for which we don't want to do a very heavy makeup, but we want to do some sort of a base because like you can see right now, if you see me on camera, you will see that I'm looking tired only and only because I have my dark circles. Luckily I have been blessed with very good skin, but my dark circle problem is very huge. It is a huge problem in my life, so like you can see. So that's why I will just be concealing that, and I will be using some very basic products for today so that you guys can feel a little happy by looking at this video. You guys can get inspired and create this makeup look. You guys can use it for your online events. Also, if you guys are just chilling at home in your pajamas, you can feel a little presentable and happy. Now the next thing that we're going to be applying is a sunscreen. ये सनस्क्रीन मैंने आपको मेरे पिछले मेकअप वीडियो में भी दिखाया था. दिस इज द VLCC Fair Plus Glow Sunscreen Lotion with SPF 20. Now this doesn't have a lot of SPF, I know, but I do like this sunscreen mainly because of its ingredients and its smell. This has ashwagandha and wheat germ extracts and it's paraben free. So I will be applying the sunscreen now. Also guys, I'm going to be linking all the products that I'm showing you today in the description box. So in case you are interested, आपको direct links description box में मिल जाएगा. So please check out the description box. Now once I'm done with the sunscreen, I'll move on to my primer directly. Today I'm using the Blue Heaven primer. Now it's a silicone based primer, and I feel that it really helps my foundation and everything blend in nicely. Now you might have a question कि मैं तो आज foundation use नहीं करूँगी, so why the hell am I putting primer? I will be putting primer mainly under my eyes because we are going to be using a concealer today and also a BB cream which I will be using today. So now I'm just gonna be blending the primer nicely. I don't always use toner before I start my makeup, but today I did, and let me tell you, it is making a very big difference to my skin. My skin feels so soft. Like the palette is entirely ready, you guys, for the makeup. So you can definitely try this trick. Start your makeup with a toner, just let your skin soak it in, and then you go ahead and apply the facial oil or the serum or the sunscreen or the primer, whatever you're using next thing that I'm going to be using is the Pond's BB cream. Now this is in the shade 02 medium. I am actually more fond of 01 original, but this I had got from a local store because Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, everything had run out of Pond's BB cream a month or two back, and I don't really know the reason why Pond's BB cream was out of stock everywhere, but I happened to find this in a local store, but they didn't have my shade, which is 01 original. They surprisingly had this shade, and I was like, ठीक है, अभी इसको ले ही लेते हैं. If I get 01 original later, maybe I'll just be mixing the two shades and using. I've just pumped up a little bit of BB cream, and I'm just gonna be making these little dots, if you can see. So yeah, that's about it. We want a very light coverage today, so we'll not be using a lot of product. I will be using the Maybelline Beauty Blender, which I had used in my previous video as well. So with the help of this blender, we will very smoothly and finely blend out the BB cream. Don't forget your under eyes. Alright guys, like you can see, the BB cream has blended in very seamlessly. The next step is going to be concealing my eyes. The BB cream has maybe done 50% of the job, and I'm depending on my Lakme Absolute White Intense Liquid Concealer with SPF 25 to do the rest of the job. We are going to be blending it out nicely. Something very interesting on Instagram the other day. I will not like to name the creator as such. It was either a makeup related video or it was like a fashion video. She was receiving so many hate comments. Why do you have to upload such videos during the pandemic? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing that? So I really liked her response. I mean, it was such a positive response, yet she was able to get across her point to the person who had made that comment. So her reply was something like this, that today if I don't produce such videos and I don't upload such videos, then I will not be able to make any money, and if I'm not able to make any money, I will not be able to provide to some charity, or I will not be able to help somebody in need of oxygen or something else, because I am doing charity work. That's what she said, and I really liked her reply. I think it was a very positive response. Instead of just bashing the person who has made that comment, she actually had a very logical take on the comment that, why shouldn't I do this? It's my job. You all are doing your job. You all are working from home. I make videos. So yeah, I really understood her point and where she came from, and I think she made total sense with what she said. People really need to understand and respect each other. And even though I have a 9 to 5 job and I do YouTube as like a part-time thing, you can say, or the one I'm talking about, she is doing YouTube full-time, and that is what she does, and that is where she gets her money from, and that is where she saves from. So she needs to put out that kind of content because that is the work she does. So you got to respect that, and you got to understand that. That's all I would like to say. Alright guys, I'm done with the concealer. Now we're not left with much actually, so I would like to move on to compact powder, but uske pehle I would like to do a special step today, which I don't think I've shown you earlier, but I don't really remember, so let's just show it out to you. I will be using some mild baby powder. The one that I'm using is Johnson's baby powder. I'll just be taking a little and just sort of placing it on my face. I'll tell you why. I could have directly gone for the compact, yes, I agree, but थोड़ा सा अगर आप बेबी पाउडर लगाते हो ना आपकी स्किन पे, it I feel soaks in all the extra oil, the extra product that you have left, and it helps set your base. Like, it really helps the compact powder set in your base. I'm moving on to the Maybelline Fit Me compact powder. You will always see this on my channel. I'm in the shade Natural Ivory, and I will just be using this to set in the excess concealer or the baby cream, and just to make my base look like really smooth. Guys, from where I had started, I had absolutely nothing on my face. We have reached here without any foundation. I think you can see that I do look a lot brighter. I really like how my base has turned out. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. I had shown this in one of my previous videos. I love the classic packaging, and also the product is really nice, very blendable, very pigmented. So I'm going to be using the Elovin shade today, which is the golden shade. Just taking this Calvin shade, which is sort of a brownish shade, and very little of it, and just mixing out the shade that I've already applied so that the color becomes a little more like neutral and not too, chata. For eyeliner, I'm gonna be using the Lakme Absolute Shine Line eyeliner. I am planning to do a winged liner today. We'll not be applying any kajal on the waterline. Alright guys, I'm done with the winged liner. I don't think we have any smudges. I actually haven't done a very good job with this side ka eyeliner, and I'm not very happy with the way it's turned out. I'm very honest with you guys. I always keep telling you I'm not an expert when it comes to makeup. I always keep saying that, and I have no shame in saying that. And I'm going to be trying to repair this wing because I think this one has turned out way better. It's a sleeker wing. But ये वाला I think because of the wand, ये थोड़ा सा ना mess हो गया. Fattest wing you've seen ever. But I like the effect that it's giving my eyes. I think it looks different from the usual kind of makeup that I do. So yes, it does have an X factor about it, the makeup. Yeah, I like the way my eyes are looking. Okay, so we're going to be applying mascara towards the end. I missed mascara. I'll just be doing my lips till then because I want my eyeliner to dry before I apply the mascara. So for my lips, I'm going to be using this very nice baby pink nude kind of a shade, which is Khoobsurat from Nykaa. And I think this is their ultimate matte to last liquid lipstick range. I'm not very sure. I'm going to be linking everything in the description, so please check that. I already have some lip balm on my lips. We're going to be ending this video now with mascara being the last product. This is the Calabar Zoom and Whoosh mascara. I think it is a really good mascara. I don't really use falsies. That's it, you guys. I'm done with the makeup. I really hope you liked today's no foundation makeup look. I have really enjoyed creating this look for you guys, especially the eyes. I think the wings look really nice. I really like the way my eyes look and the way the base looks, and also the lipstick. It's a really good shade, blends very easily, and it's also a long lasting lipstick in case you wanted to know. So I really hope you enjoyed watching today's makeup related video. I also did a little bit of chit chat with you, which also again I hope you enjoyed watching. I promise I'll be getting a lot many more videos for you guys to watch right from your home, so that you feel a little happy and are left with a smile on your face, which is my only intention and makes me happy. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care, loads and loads of love, be safe, and stay home. Bye bye.